Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Tahoe door handle. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having a new door handle ready will make the job quick and efficient. Let's get started and make your Tahoe feel new again. Now let's get that old handle out. First, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is loose, you'll see the rods connected to the handle. Disconnect these. Then, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the handle. With those removed, the old handle should slide right out. With the old handle out, installing the new one is a breeze. Carefully slide your new door handle into the exterior opening, making sure it sits flush. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the 2 or 3 bolts, tightening them securely. Next, reconnect the door lock and latch rods to their corresponding points on the new handle. Double-check that all connections are firm and correctly attached. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all the clips snap back into their original positions. Give the new exterior door handle a few pulls to ensure it operates smoothly and latches properly. Also, check the interior handle and any power lock functions. You've successfully replaced your door handle, saving yourself time and money. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.